Judith Herman wrote these words from the perspective of the traumatized individual. She says, at the moment of the trauma, the child is utterly helpless. Unable to defend herself, she cries for help, but no one comes to her aid. The memory of this experience pervades all subsequent relationships. The greater the child's emotional conviction of helplessness and abandonment, the more desperately she feels the need for an omnipotent rescuer. But because she feels as if her life depends on her rescuer, she cannot afford to be tolerant. There is no room for human